Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. Hi, my name is Shannon, and this is my 1955 Chevy pickup truck that I built with my dad in our garage.
There you go. There you go. Tell us about the year, make, and model.
So it is a 1955 Chevy 3100 step side. We got it out of Arizona, and then we completely took it off frame and restored it.
There you go. There you go. And how did you learn how to do this?
I just learned through my dad, and he grew up building cars with his dad, so he took his knowledge and is now sharing with me.
Sure. And what's your dad's first name?
His name's Dan.
Okay, there you go. There you go. And then, so tell me about what parts that you remember building and restoring on this.
Yeah. I pretty much did all of it. I helped him take all the parts off. We took all the parts off and put it in my house. We worked on each part one by one. I installed the brakes. I helped sand a little bit.
There you go.
Pretty much had hand and a little bit of everything on it.
There you go. And then how long did it take to do all this?
We got it December of 2019. We pulled the engine out in June of 2020, and we pretty much, it was done, but then we did a couple modifications to it. It was done in like 2022, and then we put the wheels on it July of 2023.
Sure. And are you local by chance?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm local in Illinois.
And then a rumor has it that this was on a magazine cover.
Yeah.
Can we see that?
Yeah, of course. It's my magazine cover for the World of Wheels.
Oh, that is so cool. That is so. Pull it up a little bit higher. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just a girl in her truck.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
That's sweet. That is sweet.
Yeah.
That is sweet.
Yeah.
And then tell us about the engine that we're looking at over here.
Yeah, so it was originally a straight six engine, and then we pulled that out, and now it is a small block 350 with Dyer supercharger on it.
There you go. There you
It's
go.
an 871.
Neat. And how much horsepower?
What?
How much horsepower?
I think about 600. We haven't tested it.
There you go. There you go. I bet this makes a great pizza pickup truck.
Yeah.
You know? It's
We actually ate pizza out of the back of it one time.
Neat. Neat. And then what is the type of in color of the paint that we're looking at?
So we tried to color match it best to the original that it was, which was ocean green. So it's not exactly ocean green, but we call it green or turquoise.
Right. And then the can we see the interior of the?
Yeah.
That is nice. That is nice. And do you get a chance to drive it all?
Yeah, I drive it. Haven't gone super fast with it yet, but.
Right. And that's nice. That's nice. And then you know what I'm looking is so. Why do I see two pedals? But is that stick also?
No, that's just our shifter. Yeah.
Okay. I was wondering, it's like, how would that work? Right.
Yeah.
And then tell me about the bed liner and the bumper and the wheels. If you have anything to say about that.
Yeah, the bumpers are the ones it came with. Our wheels we got custom from Wheelsmith. They're out of California.
Okay.
And we had them painted our color. The bed we got a kit, and we just stained it and varnished it.
Neat. That is nice. And are you ever gonna get like a couple bales of hay and just put it in the back there? And
I have put hay back there for a trunk or treat before. So
neat.
Yeah, that was fun. Everyone liked that.
Neat. And do you have any future plans for another vehicle?
I want to get a square body, like 1980s K square body, but I'm not ready for our big project yet, so we'll see.
Sure.
Yeah.
And then what do you know what kind of paint this is by chance? Is it like PPG or is it?
It's called Genesis.
Okay, there you go. And so what about car show awards?
Out of all the local car shows I'm going to, I've gotten 6 awards so far. And we just took first in our class at World of Wheels here.
Neat.
So, yeah.
Neat.
Yeah.
Neat.
And one of the best parts about doing a project is when it's finished and you can take it on the road and travel and go to shows and just enjoy it.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.